Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Truecaller app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then here you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on calls, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you come here to group here, calls in call history. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That then it's like you see it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.